And that is the sister or brother of that all blue red bar young'un. So this one's came white faced, ears, white wings, nice big wings. This one's not as chill as the other one, I'll tell you that much. Alright, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. White tips on the end. The oil gland. Good. Definitely wants to go. There's another. That's the bird. So then we've got this nice dirty blue. Dirty blues don't usually have the white tip on the ends, white on the ends, which this one doesn't. Nice big wings. Nice looking bird. So that is from Plumage Investo. The mother is a saddle. And this is the sister of that dirty blue. That's the first time they've made a dirty blue. They've made saddles, they've made blue white beards. Like this one. So this one does have the white in the ends. 12 tail feathers. Oil gland, crest. Eyes are going to come nice. Looking like the father, I guess. Just a little bit cleaner. Nice bird.